iOS has a cool little feature that allows you to send hand-drawn messages to other iPhone users. Go to Messages, tap the plus icon on the left, and scroll down to Digital Touch. That's what Apple officially calls this. With Digital Touch, you can hand-draw anything, and your recipient will see it as a cool little animation when they receive the message. You can draw in different colors, and you can send these with either a black background, or use your camera to take a selfie or capture something around you, and then draw over that. I'm pretty horrible at this, and my hand drawing looks like I'm 6 years old, but in my defense, I will say that the square they give you for the drawing is awfully small. I think it should expand to fill at least half of your screen to be able to draw a little more precisely. But anyways, it's the imperfections that make these messages human. Send your partner a cute little message and I can guarantee it'll put a smile on their face. There's also different gestures you can use. One finger tap creates a fireball. Not sure why, but fireball it is, I guess. Holding down two fingers will make a heart with a nice little heartbeat. And putting down two fingers and sliding them down will send a broken heart animation. Nice little feature for when you're feeling playful, although I'm not sure sending broken heart animations is going to make anyone's day better. Anyways, click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this.